Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Thanks for being here. Big shout out to our subscribers out there. I think we're getting close to 35,000 subscribers on the channel. That's awesome. And thanks for being a subscriber. If you're not already, go ahead and do that now. Click it. Do it. Subscribe to the channel. We've got all the information that has everything to do with rideshare, which, interesting. Channel shift right now, focus change, because there's not a lot to talk about as far as the logistics of actually driving or starting as a new rideshare driver or anything like that, because rideshare demand is way down due to what's going on in the world right now. And so we've shifted the focus. Right now, the more important focus is that due to the new Stimulus Act and the law changing, unemployment insurance benefits have been expanded, which now allows rideshare drivers to apply and hopefully qualify for uninsurance employment benefits, which means that hopefully sooner rather than later we can get money and assistance, financial assistance going into the pockets of Americans that really need that help right now. So yeah, anyway, I'm making a bunch of videos. We're making a lot of videos on the topic on the channel. And the reason why we're doing that, repeating ourselves, is because the information is extremely important. Here's what I don't want to have happen. I don't want any of our rideshare drivers that watch our channel to go look to submit an unemployment insurance application and not know what's going on or not know where to go. We don't have all the information yet. We're continually getting updated as this plays out. Again, newly passed laws, state websites for unemployment insurance benefits haven't even all been updated yet. Some have not. So anyway, we're going to keep updating you as we have information. But specifically what I want to talk about right now is a great question. It's come up several times in the comment section of a lot of videos pertaining to this unemployment insurance benefit. And you know what? There's a lot of logistics that are unclear. But here's a great question. What if I don't want to work? I don't want to attempt to drive rideshare. Can I still apply for unemployment insurance benefits? We found a great resource that answers several questions to the best of their ability. It's careeronestop.org/some things. We'll put a link to that in the video description below so you can click on it. It's the full link, but it'll take you to somewhere, and it talks about the expansion of unemployment insurance benefits, how that plays out for self-employed personnel, and gives some more details. So anyway, a couple of questions that are on there, or I should say a couple of answers or direct quotes from the website are: self-employed people that qualify, and this is in quotes from that website, you are self-employed and have lost income. So that leads me to believe that even if you're still driving, trying to make money, that you would still qualify for unemployment insurance benefits as long as you can show that you've taken a decrease in earnings. As of now, I don't know what information you're going to have to provide in order to prove that. But anyway, at any rate, that's one demographic of people that still need to drive but have lost money from doing so should still apply. Now, the question, right, that I want to talk about, what if you are what if you're staying inside, not attempting to drive, not doing any rideshare drives so that you can protect your health and wellness, perhaps your family's health and wellness, and not, and help flatten the curve, right? That's what we're trying to do by social distancing, self-quarantining, and whatnot. So what if you just decided to stop driving and not try and drive at all? Can you still apply for unemployment insurance benefits? The answer is yes, you can. So according to this website, direct quote says, you are unable to work due to risk of exposure, which leads me to believe that means you can make the personal decision that you stopped working because you were worried about exposure for yourself and or families, loved ones, others, right? So I think it's perfectly acceptable, and you should still be able to qualify if you decided to stop driving. Now, it's an interesting, this is such an interesting thing for self-employed people because it's so many gray areas, right? There's so many different people that fall into different aspects of this. If you're a W-2 employee and your business closed or you got laid off, very straightforward. You know the day, they can verify that information with your employer. It passes through, your application passes through very quickly. It's all very cut and dry, straightforward. With self-employed people, again, this is a new law, just passed days ago. As I'm making this video, it was 1 week ago today, almost to the hour, ironically, that it was signed into law. So state websites for unemployment insurance still in the process of updating. Don't apply until your state's website is updated and says, we are now accepting applications for self-employed people. That's when you can apply. Anyway, back to the shades of gray with this, right? We have so many different self-employed people. I have questions all across the board, but basically it's falling, we have people asking, if I'm retired and I only drive part-time, do I qualify? Yes. If I work multiple self-employed jobs, do I qualify? Yes. If I'm still working and making some money, do I have to stop driving in order to qualify? No, you can still drive, still try and make money. Again, the way that this is posted, as long as you're self-employed and have lost income, then you should qualify. So hopefully that answers a lot of questions for a lot of people out there. It is my belief, again, that anybody self-employed probably has lost some income. Anybody self-employed in the rideshare community has taken a hit on this because there's no way anyone's making as much money driving right now. It's just not possible. I don't think it's possible. If so, you are an anomaly out there because ride demand is way down. And Uber and Lyft have warned their passengers not to take rides unless it's an essential thing to do so. And for drivers, not to drive unless it's actually, I don't know if they've updated that or not. Anyway, at any rate, yes, if you have decided to stop driving because you don't want to expose yourself to getting sick, then yes, you can still apply for unemployment insurance benefits as soon as your state's website is set up. Making a lot of videos on this topic. If you have any questions that relate to this whatsoever, jump down in the comment section below. I will personally read them, and I'll keep pumping out videos on this topic. And to anybody out there that's worried about us repeating information, that's definitely going to happen right now. This is very important stuff. All right, that's all I got for you guys. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm going to go golf. I'm Jacob Lettman. This is Rideshare Hub. Until the next time, stay safe out there, everyone.